This fan was wobbling real bad. I noticed that I think this blade is tight. That one's really loose. That one's a little loose. That one's a little loose. That's tight. And I think the screws that hold the blades to the motor are under this light fixture. So I'm going to see if I can get to them under here. Well, 3 screws takes the light fixture part down, and you can access the screws. Where's the loose one? That was the loosest one, but the screws are still there. Phillips or straight slot, either one can be used. Well, there it is. It's running after tightening the blades up. I still may have to use the penny trick on the higher speeds here. That's high speed. Got a little bit of wobble, but may have to do the penny thing. Low speed is seems to be no wobble at all.